Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be doing a hands-on with a very interesting product. In fact, this is a power bank from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Mi Powerbank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh power bank with 50-watt charging. So this is an ideal power bank which can charge smartphones, laptops or any other product. Now generally power banks don't charge laptops because it doesn't get enough power to power up the laptop, but most of the power banks are suited for smartphones and other lower products. Although there are some power banks which can charge laptops, this is a very interesting product. This is the Mi Powerbank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh capacity battery, and this comes with actually 16 layers of protection for overcurrent, short circuiting, the temperature control. So everything is included in this power bank, and this retails for 3599, that's 3,600 rupees in India. And this supports 45-watt charging for laptop, 50-watt charging for smartphones, and it also has smart power management. That means it comes with 3 ports, 2 USB type A port, then you get a USB type C port which supports the laptop and the higher voltage and current rating. So that's the configuration. So there are lots of configurations available based on how you charge the laptop or how you use the power bank to charge the laptop or smartphone. So we'll see how this works, how the quality is and what all features it offers. So before getting started, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's get started with the Mi Powerbank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh capacity battery with 50-watt charging. So this is the Mi Powerbank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh capacity battery with 50-watt charging. So you can see here it supports 45-watt laptop charging, 45-watt hypersonic recharging. That means the power bank can also be recharged with 45 watt, and smart power management. And for laptops it is 45 watt, while for smartphones the maximum is 50 watt. So that's how the power bank works. Now let's have a look at the voltage rating. So there are multiple configurations available. So output maximum is 50 watt. Now there are 2 USB type A ports, dual port, both supports 5 volt 3 ampere. So that's 18-watt charging. Now USB A port, that single port, we can get 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2.23 ampere, and 12 volt 1.67 ampere, and 10 volt 2.25 ampere. That means it can go up to 22.5 watt maximum with the single USB type A port. Now USB type C port, if you are using, you can get 5 volt 2 ampere. 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 10 volt 5 ampere, that's 50 watt. Then we get around 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere, then 20 volt 2 ampere. So there are multiple configurations available. 20 volt 2 ampere is 40 watt, then 15 3, that's 45. Then we get 10 volt 5 ampere, that's 50 watt. Then triple port, if you are using 5 volt 5.4 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 10 volt 5 ampere, and 12 volt 3 ampere, and we get 20 volt 2 ampere. So there are multiple configurations available, but in a nutshell, if you are going to charge laptops, always use the USB type C port, because that's the one which is going to power the laptops. Other ones, the USB type A port, are mainly for smartphones. So let's open this box package and we'll show you how it looks. So it's priced at 3599. Let's open this. So let's take the charger here, and you also get a cable. So let's just take the cable. So it's a USB type C to type C cable. So that's what included in the box. So that's pretty good. Then let's see what else comes inside. So you get a manual also. So this is the manual. So that's the basic thing. Again, once again, there are 4 LED indicators as well. Then you can see here type A port. Type A is both output, and the USB type C port is both input and output. That means if you want to charge the power bank, you have to use the type C port, but to charge other devices you can use all the 3 ports. So that's basically the configuration. So that's the case. Let's now see the power bank in more detail, and also we'll try to charge some of the smartphones. So this is the power bank. So you can see here the matte finish definitely looks really good. It's a very nice matte finish. It doesn't scratch easily, so the finishing looks really good. So that's how it looks. So you get a power button here to check the battery right now. So you can see here right now it shows the battery, the remaining battery. It's again finished in kind of a black or chrome finishing. Then you get the two ports, USB type A port and USB type C port. You can see the type C port is in orange color and the type A is kind of black color. So that's how the ports look. And you can see that 20,000 mAh mentioned here. It's a fast charger supporting maximum of 50 watt, and this can charge the laptop. So we'll just try with some laptops, but before that, as I said before, these are for both for smartphones as well as laptops. Now if you're using a OnePlus, Realme, Vivo or Oppo smartphones, this power bank may not be able to charge in higher speeds because it may get up to maximum of 18 watt based on power delivery feature of the smartphone. So it may not get you the 22.5 or 45 or 50 watt for these smartphones like OnePlus, Realme, Oppo or Vivo, because they are using their proprietary charging technology. So those devices I feel won't get you great speeds. But if you're using a Xiaomi smartphone or probably Samsung's PD delivery options available, then probably you can get really good fast charging. Even for like flagship devices like Mi 11X or Mi 11X Pro or even Mi 11 Ultra, you can get really good fast charging. Even budget devices like Redmi devices, Redmi Note 10 series or the Mi 11 Lite, all those devices you get fast charging with this power bank. But this is mainly, although there are multiple power banks available for charging smartphones with multiple power rating, this is ideally suited for laptops. That's where the beauty lies. So let's connect a few laptops. We have Macbook, then we have Windows laptops as well. We'll try with different laptops and see whether it charges or not. So let's get started. So first let's try charging our MacBook M1 Pro. So this is the MacBook M1 Pro. So we have connected this to the charger using the same cable which is available with the box package. So let's just connect this. So you can see that now it's charging. So you can see here the battery indicator. So it's charging. So this power bank can charge a MacBook Pro M1. So we have the MacBook Pro M1 2020 variant and it is now charging. You can see that the charging icon. So that's really good. So you can use this to charge your MacBook Pro M1. We'll just show you here. So power fully is charged. Now battery is 100% and it is now being connected to the adapter. So that's how the MacBook Pro M1 works. Now let's see another Windows laptop. So this is the Windows laptop. This is the ZenBook OLED version. So we'll try charging this with the power bank. So you can see here plugged in, and it's actually a slow charger. May not be the rated charger for this laptop, but it will definitely charge it. It's slightly slower because each and every laptop has its own wattage, so it may not be charging completely fast, but it's still charging the laptop. So you can see that now it's being charged. So there you go, you can see it is charging. So this is the Asus ZenBook OLED version, although it's slightly slower charging, but it still works. So let's try another laptop. This is another laptop. This is the Asus Zephyrus G14, which is a really powerful laptop, and this also has I think, in fact, if I'm right, 150 watt charger included. It's a very different charger actually. Now let's try with this. So it has a USB Type C port. So there you go. And you can see the PD charger connected. So it is actually charging the laptop. So you can here have a look. It is charging the laptop with this power bank. So this works even for very high wattage requirement laptops as well. It may not be a really fast charger, but it actually charges, which is pretty good. Now let's try another laptop with this charger. So this is another laptop. You can see here this is the Dell XPS 13 from 2018, very old laptop. So let's try with this. So this also has a USB Type C port. So you can see that it is charging actually. Now it started charging. So even the older ones also support that. So again you can see that now it's charging. Here you go. So it may not be the fastest charger out there for some particular laptops, but it does charge the premium laptops as well. And finally we have the Mi laptop here. This is the new Mi laptop launched recently. So we'll try with this laptop as well. So there is a USB Type C port included. So just connecting this. So there you go. It's connected. And you can see here the charger isn't actually, it's charging actually, but again you can see that it's charging, but it may not be the proper charger what is recommended, but it's still charging. So that's the Mi 20,000 Hypersonic power bank with 50 watt charging. So we have tried with multiple laptop vendors and almost all of them supported, although some may not have the fast charging option, but it still can charge your laptop. Even though it may not be the fastest charger, it can charge. So this is very handy option for laptops, more specifically for laptop. For smartphones you have a variety of power banks available, but for laptops this is really useful, especially when you're traveling. That is video on the Mi Hypersonic power bank, the 20,000 watt. If you still have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.